Hi everyone, good evening. Welcome to Stocks Investing Science. So in this video we will look at the quarterly results and all the important updates provided in the quarterly reports for ITC Limited. As you can see, company has released their quarterly earnings today. So I will be providing all the information. Before going on to the consolidated numbers, to give you a brief introduction on the company, ITC is formerly known as Imperial Tobacco Company of India Limited. So I think most of you have not don't know the abbreviation for the ITC. So it is Imperial Tobacco Company, and it is a diversified company with interests in FMCG, hotels, packaging, and agri businesses. And it is a standout for its sustainability practices of being carbon and water and solid waste recycling positive company. So to have it such a good sustainability practices, it needs a lot of investment and focus. So kudos to ITC to do such a incredible practices. So the company's operations also contribute to creating a sustainable livelihood in rural India. So it also gives a lot of encouragement to farmers in terms of some of the services that the company is providing, and it is one of the largest cigarette manufacturer and seller in the country as well. So that's a brief introduction on ITC Limited. Now let's move on to the consolidated numbers. So this is the standalone numbers. So yeah, this is the consolidated numbers for ITC. So the numbers are in crores that I will be again giving the same information. So year on year total income has increased from 20,130 crores to 20,724 crores. So that's almost a jump of 3% in terms of revenue, and contributing to almost operating profit margins of 33% in terms of operating margins. So for this present quarter, but previously it was 34% in this quarter. And coming to the quarter on quarter numbers, so it has increased from 19,361 crores to almost 20,724 crores, again a growth of almost 7% quarter on quarter. Coming to the total expenses, year on year it has increased from 13,295 crores to 13,791 crores, and quarter on quarter it's again increased from 12,421 crores to 13,791 crores. So the expenses are increasing year on year. So now let's look at the total income, the net profits. So year on year there is a slight dip from 5,190 crores to 5,176 crores. It's almost a dip of 0.2% year on year, and quarter on quarter as well. It has come down from 5,189 crores to 5,176 crores. Again it is same 0.2% of dip in terms of the net profits quarter on quarter. So now let's look at the EPS for ITC. So year on year it has increased, it has dipped from 4.10 to 4.08, and quarter on quarter also it has dipped from 4.11 to 4.08. So that's the EPS. Now let's look at the segmental revenue. So in terms of business, I said is if it operates in FMCG, hotels, agribusiness, paper boards. This is the other one, the paper boards, paper and packaging. And let's see their total income. Year on year the FMCG is doing well. It has increased from almost 14,000 crores to 14,341 crores, and quarter on quarter as well it is improved from 13,528 crores to 14,341 crores. So both year on year as well as quarter on quarter the FMCG business is doing well. In that too the cigarette business is also doing well, almost 500 crores of extra income in this year, and as well as even in the others FMCG it has given almost a good growth, 5,000 to almost 300 extra crores in terms of the income. Coming to the hotel business year on year it is not doing well. Quarter on quarter it is slightly improved from 624 crores to 713 crores, whereas year on year it has dipped from 931 crores to almost 713 crores. Now let's see the agri business. Year on year it is doing well, from 3,136 crores to almost 7,000 crores, it is doubled, and even quarter on quarter it is improved from 5,726 crores to almost 7,000 crores. So agri business is doing well for the company, and the FMCG is doing well. And let's see the this one, the paper boards, the paper and packaging. So year on year it is not doing well, and even the quarter on quarter it is not doing well. So I don't need to say the numbers, they're not at all doing well. I mean, it's flat, but there is no growth. Apart from that, there is another other business which again looking flat in numbers. So for company FMCG as well as the agri business is given a good growth for the current quarter, and yeah, that's the segmental revenue for the company. Now let's see the now let's give you the summary of the total income as well as the profits, the net profits in terms of the percentage growth. So total income has grown year on year by almost 3%. Quarter on quarter it is improved by almost 7%. And then, like I said, the bottom line it has dipped year on year by almost 0.2%, and even the net profits has dipped year on year and quarter on quarter by 0.2%. So in terms of the revenue, the company is generating the money, but I think the operating profit margin has decreased. So for the current quarter it is standing to almost 33.5% of operating margins, and for the previous quarter it was around 35.8, and in the previous year June quarter it was standing at 34. So if you see here, almost I can say it is flat in terms of year on year, but quarter on quarter is actually dipped from 35.8 to 33.5. I think that's where the revenues are not coming well, and that is the net profits are not coming for the company. We'll see how this pans out in the future. So that's the results. They are able to generate the money, but they are not able to generate the net profits. So we'll see how market reacts to this set of numbers once the market opens tomorrow. But what do you think on the above numbers? Please do share your valuable thoughts on the results in the comment section, and please share this video with your friends, family, and also with the ones who have invested in ITC, so that they will be aware on the quarterly results. And with that, I will come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again in my next